Ever since I was very young, always wanted a Jeep. Me and my wife have been talking about it for 3 years now. So finally we said, alright, let's do it. Yup, 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Sport. 4x4 unlimited 3.6 liter Pentastar. 17-inch wheels, backup camera, and 8-speed automatic transmission. Selectable all-wheel drive 4 high and 2 low. That's pretty awesome. All hexagons. It's very hexagonal. You got honeycomb in the back there. Stay tuned, everyone, for more of this JL Wrangler action. 2018 coming at you. We are going to start doing the necessary modifications we need to safely remove the doors and still have mirrors. So there's a couple options out there. I'm shopping them out right now. I also might want to put some of those tubular door guards with netting. I still have the STI. This Jeep is a lease for now with the option to buy. So more install videos for the STI on the way. Subscribe, hit that like button. This is going to be a wild ride, guys. Let's get ready for this. Spring's coming, and the top and doors are coming off as soon as possible. All right, everyone, take care. I'll see you soon.